Welcome to episode 2 of my Resilience Workshop. Today, I will be focusing on attitude and how your mindset can make or break your success. So let's dive in. First, your attitude is the lens through which you view the world. It shapes your responses to challenges and influences your overall happiness and success. A positive attitude isn't just about seeing the glass as half full. It's about adopting a mindset that empowers you to overcome obstacles and keep pushing forward. Let me share a story about a well-known figure. Before becoming a global sensation, Michael Jordan faced a significant setback. He was cut from his high school basketball team. Now, this could have been a devastating blow, but he refused to let it define him. Instead, he changed his attitude and used the rejection as motivation to work even harder on his skills. This shift, if you will, in mindset led him to achieve incredible success and become one of the greatest basketball players, frankly, if not the greatest basketball player of all time. So, how can you adopt a positive attitude? Well, I've come across a few strategies backed by research that I want to share with you. Number 1, practice gratitude. Regularly expressing gratitude can shift your focus from what's wrong to what's right in your life. Keep a gratitude journal and note down 3 things you're thankful for each day. Number 2, reframe negative thoughts. Cognitive reframing involves changing the way you interpret negative situations. Instead of seeing setbacks as failures, view them as opportunities to learn and grow. Number 3, surround yourself with positivity. Your environment influences your attitude. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Engage in activities that bring you joy and fulfillment. Remember, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. Number 4, set realistic goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, manageable steps. Achieving these smaller milestones can boost your confidence and reinforce a positive attitude. Number 5, engage in positive self-talk. That's right, it's okay to talk to yourself. The way you talk to yourself actually matters. Replace self-doubt and criticism with affirmations and positive statements. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Number 6, mindfulness and meditation. Practicing mindfulness helps you stay present and reduces stress. Meditation can enhance your focus and emotional stability, contributing to a more positive outlook. Number 7, physical activity. Regular exercise releases endorphins, which improve your mood and energy levels. Physical health is closely linked to mental well-being. Remember, adopting a positive attitude is a continuous process. It requires conscious effort and practice. Reflecting on my experience, I learned that a positive attitude is a powerful tool in overcoming adversity and achieving success. Think about a challenge you're currently facing. How can you change your attitude towards it? Implementing these strategies can help you build a mindset that not only endures difficulties, but thrives in spite of them. In our next session, we'll explore the power of work ethic and how it aligns with building resilience. Until then, stay strong, stay positive, and keep moving forward. I wish you days filled with positivity, growth, and unwavering determination. See you next week.